Okay, I know a few words in Urdu. I know Shukriya and Lahore Lahore.
What's your message for Pakistan?
It's pleasure to me, of course. The Pakistan Prime Minister loves the TV series and loves me, and I know he had a story of the social media, and I saw it, of course. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to me. Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I know the Pakistani people loves, but I'm not expect like this. Thank you very much for coming. We are here because I know the Pakistani people loves, and I want to see myself, and I'm here. And I know it's not last time, just this first time. And we have a new agreement to Chaudhry Textiles. So I'm very happy to this relationship, friendship also. And I hope it will be, I hope this will be, this Turkish and Pakistani brotherhoods will be continue. It's huge TV series, and of course I know the Pakistani people love the TV series, and it's very honored for us, and it's a good Islamic story, and we know how can I say if it's possible, I can speak Turkish. It's much easier for me, and he can translate for me. All right. I think Hikayesi gerçekten Müslümanlığın özünü ve insanlığın iyiliğini anlatan.
उस सिलसिले में ये पाकिस्तान आए हैं, तो इसलिए हमारा एक साल का इंशाल्लाह ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम इंशाल्लाह, और सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान और टर्की का मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि हमारी ये रिलेशनशिप और एंगिन अल्तान भाई इसके जरिए आगे बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं। स्पेशली फुरकान हमीद साहब, डॉक्टर फुरकान हमीद साहब, उनके बगैर भी ये पॉसिबल नहीं था, उन्होंने बहुत रोल अदा किया। And again, I really thankful to Mr. Engin Altan, brother, he's there, and inshallah we will go more and more many years with each other, inshallah.
İnşallah.